This is the first hand of the 3-6-9 section. So we start off with a pung of threes and a kong of sixes in one color. And then we have a second suit of a pung of sixes and a kong of nines. So we're going to use two suits on this one. Or we have a second chance of a mahjong with this second option. And we have a pung of threes and a kong of sixes, same as the top one in one color. Then we have a pung of sixes in that second color, so second suit, where the difference in this second one is we have a third color, which is a kong of nines. So in this second option, we are going to use all three suits instead of just two in the first option. So, and then the parentheses, it says any two or three suits, which we could already tell from the colors. All right, so here's an example. I'm using cracks. So I've got my pung of threes in cracks and then my kong of sixes also in cracks. Then I'm using dots for my pung of sixes and also dots for my kong of nines. Notice these have to be these numbers in the parentheses. It doesn't tell us that we can use anything different. Now in my second option, I would have to use BAMs because that is my third suit. So I've got my kong of nines in my BAMs for my second example. All of these are pungs and kongs. So if I had jokers and I didn't have the numbers, then I could actually switch all of these, can end up being jokers in them, or even something that came up yesterday when I was playing is all of these can be jokers. So if you didn't have any of this three track, you could have all jokers in here. You don't have to have one that isn't a joker. That is, I'm not really sure where that came from. So, all right, have a wonderful, blessed day.